Hey guys, Colorado Camperman Brian here. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace this little guy. This is the clamp that used to lock our water heater in place, but it's plastic or nylon, something like that, and it broke recently. Tried to do a repair by myself with using a washer, and it doesn't work, so don't try it. But so instead I bought some of these. These are some Camloc fasteners. I bought these on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description where I purchased them. But they're kind of weird, so when you get them, you're probably like, how in the heck do I install this? So I'm going to show you guys in this video how to install these little bad boys. Alright, so if you look at these little guys up closely here, so you'll notice the metal piece on the inside, as it's down lower, is skinnier. So what we're going to do is compress this spring and then slide this top part down to the skinny part and actually pop it off. So I see if I can do it here on camera. Boom. So there we go. So it's slid off. So now you might be able to see a little bit better. See how it's wide at the top and then skinny at the bottom? Now that we have it like that, I'm just going to go ahead and not put this thing in. So our hole is a little too small for this new piece, so I might take a file and see if I can just rough it up a little bit, make that opening a little bit bigger. If this doesn't work, I'll take a drill bit, but it seems like it needs just a little bit extra. Alright, so now we're going to see if it'll fit. Oh, it's almost there. There we go. Boom. So then once it's in, now you can see again the skinny and the wide part. I'm just going to clip this on the skinny part and boom. That is it. Alright, so we got this on. One thing I do want to make note of is I bought the metal one. I didn't want to have this happen again in the future, so I purchased this one instead. You can get the nylon one if you're concerned about it scratching your paint. That is a concern of some people. I don't care. Our camper's almost 11 years old. But there you go. That is it. Alright guys, well that is it for the Camco lock fasteners. Again, I'll put an Amazon link in the description where you can purchase those. I do have a lot of other videos like this too, where I do camper repairs and installations. So I put a playlist in my description, so please check that out. If you have a camper, I do a lot of DIY stuff on how to fix common issues like this. So throw a like if you enjoyed it, so consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.